I'm taking a video of this big cruise ship docking right now. It's gonna go right there. Right beside that blue building. It's coming in slowly, but it's kind of moving fast for what it is. Look at the paint on the front, looks good. Coming in closer. You can tell by this thing right here. It's gonna survive. It's cute. See all the nice people waving at us. Hey, look at that. Oh, yeah. Like, oh shit. So it's docking right over there. It's got to go in slow, otherwise it puts the waves right on us. And there's another one coming in right here. But I'm not going to wait for that one. I'm walking back on the Grand Rails. Pretty cool, eh, everybody? Please smash like if you like it on this one. I'm almost here almost every night, so I see them a lot. One day I think I'm going to go on one. Sit out there in the middle of the ocean.